Before Ghost Trader ever risked a single dollar, he had one rule: discipline first, money second. Unlike most traders chasing quick wins, he followed a mental checklist that protected him from emotional mistakes. He knew trading wasn't about luck or guessing. It was about process, a repeatable system that removed emotion and gave him an edge when others fell to fear and greed. Rule 1. Follow the market trend. The first question Ghost Trader asked: what's the overall trend? He knew the big money wasn't in chasing small moves, but in aligning with the market's main direction. In a bull market, he never shorted. In a bear market, he never bought. Fighting the trend was like stepping in front of a train, pointless and deadly. Rule 2, timing matters. Next, he asked, is this the right time to act? He learned that being early often cost more than being wrong. To avoid this, he waited for what he called pivotal points, moments where the market confirmed his idea. His patience kept him from being whipsawed. Instead of forcing trades, he let the market prove him right before risking money. Rule 3, define your risk. The third question: what's my risk? Before entering a trade, Ghost Trader already knew how much he was willing to lose. He had his stop-loss planned. He lived by this truth: you can't control profits, but you can control losses. While amateurs dreamed about how much they could make, he focused on limiting damage. That mindset kept him alive. Losses didn't scare him. Failing to cut them did. Rule 4, manage the trade. Finally, he asked, how will I manage this trade? If a trade worked, he added to winners. If it failed, he cut it fast. And when the trend weakened, he exited with no hesitation. This plan gave him confidence and control. While others froze or panicked, Ghost Trader simply executed his rules. The mental game. At the core of his system was self-control. He knew markets punish greed, impatience, and fear. His checklist was a shield against those emotions. He didn't win every trade. Nobody does. But because his losses were small and his winners were big, he consistently stayed ahead. Why this still matters. Ghost Trader's rules remain timeless. Technology has changed, but human nature hasn't. Most traders still fail for the same reasons: chasing, hoping, or ignoring risk. By applying his 4 rules: trend, timing, risk, and management, you stop gambling and start trading like a professional. The next time you're tempted to rush into a trade, pause and ask, what's the trend? Is this the right time? What's my risk? How will I manage it? That's why this channel exists, to help you trade smarter, not harder. If you found value in Ghost Trader's story, make sure to subscribe to Ghost Trader for more educational videos. Because in the end, it's not the loudest trader or the luckiest trader who wins. It's the most disciplined one. You can be that trader.